we'll guide you through how to transfer your Namecheap domain to WordPress seamlessly. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Namecheap website and log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the domain list section from the left sidebar. Here, you'll see all your registered domains. Find the domain you want to transfer and click Manage next to it. Scroll down to the Sharing and Transfer option and click on it. Ensure that your domain is unlocked for transfer. You can do this by toggling the Domain Lock option to off. Now, you'll need an authorization code, also known as the EPP code. Click on the Auth Code button to obtain it, and make sure to copy this code as you'll need it later. Next, head over to your WordPress hosting provider. If you're using WordPress.com, log into your account and go to the Domains section. Click on the Add Domain option and choose Transfer a domain you already own. Enter the Namecheap domain that you wish to transfer and paste the EPP code when prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transfer process. It might take a few days for the transfer to finalize, so be patient. During this time, make sure to keep an eye on your email for any verification requests from either Namecheap or WordPress, as they might need you to confirm some details. Once the process is complete, your domain will be successfully transferred to WordPress, and you'll be able to manage it from there. Keep in mind, transferring a domain does not automatically transfer your website's content, so if needed, make sure to back up and migrate any website data separately. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.